Hey, you might think I'm the dumbest person on planet Earth, but check this out.
My favorite's Earth's magnetic field, the magnetosphere. It deflects solar winds of the sun
That's the Earth in the middle.
and keeps our atmosphere and our oceans in place. And it's because the Earth cooled down fast enough in its evolutionary history so that it could retain this molten core. And we really are finding, as Bucky said, that the whole system truly is more than just the sum of the parts. And nothing has driven this point home more spectacularly than this new cosmic model. This is called the Digital Universe Atlas, funded by NASA, put together at the Hayden Planetarium. It's about $10 billion worth of missions to collect data around the world. Here you see the artificial satellites around the planet, geosynchronous and other forms of orbit. As we start to pull out, we're going to go way faster than the speed of light. A full light second, you see the orbit of the moon, you see the orbit of the planets. Out for a light hour, start to see the planetary solar system in view. You see the constellations. You're going to see them start to collapse to reveal their true view because it's a 3D atlas of the stars. And as we come out, we're going to see the radiosphere, our radio footprint. We're going to see our home galaxy. We're going to start to see this atlas of all of these other stars. Every point is hundreds of billions of stars. To eventually we see the full survey of everything that we've seen so far out to what's called the cosmic microwave background, our cosmic horizon, the edge of what we can see, the light from the earliest universe, our cosmic horizon in time and space. So, what's truly amazing about this, and you can go online and watch the long version, I just sped it up for time's sake, but the biggest news of our generation hasn't really hit the headlines yet. Earth is at the center of this new cosmic model.
What?
What? So astronomers call it our observational center because it's inevitably the point from which life emerged and has evolved to be able to imagine the cosmos, right? So wherever you're observing,
Earth is at the center.
But what they fail to actually acknowledge, because they're astronomers, they don't study ecology so much, but it's also our ecological center, right? When we return to our senses, we actually find that this is still the only place we've discovered that supports life. We now know that Earth is the only planet in the habitable zone of our own solar system, with the necessary temperatures to support abundant liquid water, the Goldilocks zone. And one might assume that these types of insights into the nature of life would cause a paradigm shift on the scale of the Copernican revolution. But it hasn't yet, because we're still being taught these extremely outdated views of the cosmos. So even this familiar model of our solar system is outdated by centuries. This all looks familiar, right? You all see this in school? But we actually know that the sun isn't static. It's orbiting around the galactic core at about 500,000 miles an hour, and our planet really is a living spaceship.
What?
And if we pay close attention, we can become attuned to the complex patterns all around us. As Bucky was fond of saying, we really are astronauts.
So it looks like the sun really just shoots right through, like,
miles an hour. And our planet really is a living spaceship.
wow.
And if we pay close attention, we can become attuned to the complex patterns
Look at how the planets move around the sun, actually.
We really are astronauts.
Wow. So what do you think about that?